Hello everyone. So the task for today is to do engine service on this Briggs and Stratton 450E series lawnmower. So what I got is I've got a service kit here. It's got the air filter plug in the engine oil. According to the manual, it says gotta change the oil every 50 hours or once a year. I haven't done it in the last 3 years. Didn't have any signs of burning oil or anything. Looks pretty good as well, pretty sticky as well, always clean. So yeah, that's the task for today. It's good, gonna do it tomorrow, but got a few things up, and it's pretty late now, 6:30 evening now. Might as well do it and do the lawn, so I'm free tomorrow. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first task is to probably do the engine oil. According to the manual, just pull the dipstick out, tilt the motor over, and catch the oil coming out, and then refill it through here. So it should be pretty simple, straightforward. Might get some spillage, but I'm on a table, so I can get the rest, whichever spills over later on. It's got a bit in there. So that's the one, they reckon 4-stroke SA30. It's purpose built for Briggs and Stratton air-cooled 4-stroke petrol engines. So I think I've got about half a litre. Comes in 600 milliliters, so I should have some spares. Should be using a funnel, but I think should be alright. One, two. Give it a quick measure up. So that should be the full mark. Almost there. I'll wait for a few seconds. I'll probably change the spark plug while it's still dripping through. There's got a few oil going through the wall here. Might take a while to settle down. So I'll probably do the next task, change the spark plug in the air cleaner while it settles through. Okay, the spark plug is located just right in the front here. It's always good to do spark plugs when the engine is cold, because most of the heads are aluminium, especially nowadays. Even with diesel, with petrols, they're all aluminium. And when aluminium's hot, if you replace the spark plug, sometimes you can strip the threads. So it's always a good idea to do it when it's cold. And that's really bad. Look at that condition. Yeah, this hasn't been touched in the last 3-4 years. It's really bad. I could have cleaned it and used it again, but I've got the new one. We'll chuck it in. New one. So that's the one which came in. Oh, okay. So the new one's a bit different than the old one. It's a different size. Okay. So I'll probably have to get a from the auto shop or something, a replacement for that one. But meantime, I can clean this up and use it until I get a new one. Separate. 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 Alright, it's all nicely done. Yeah, oh well, job done, time for a beer. Cheers everyone for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.